guys, we're going up Hogs Canyon outside of Kanab. Rained pretty heavily yesterday, so hopefully we don't have any dust and maybe no mud since it's pretty sandy. We'll see how it goes. Okay, we've turned off onto trail number 3. Off of the main trail system. It should just be a little loop. It's a little more moderate difficulty compared to the easy main road. So hopefully we'll have something exciting for you. Not just sandy trail. Okay, so far this trail, it says moderate difficulty, but there's been a few not horrible spots, but compared to for like a Jeep trail or just a regular off-road trail, it's a moderate's a little bit mellow, I think. Made it everywhere just fine. There's a few little rock steps that are a little more than like a stock 4x4 would manage, which I guess would give it the moderate rating. And we're a little tight with these tight corners in the trees. So hopefully it doesn't get much worse for a leisurely family drive. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
I thought it was going to be worse too. Oh.
Will you roll us off the mountain?
No.
Okay, we've hit, apparently the route we take is the extreme version of Trail 1. And the first people walking. Let's see how it's going to look for them. That's the problem, was we're right here on the top of a hill, and I can't pick my route very well. Let's see. I'm going to want to stay left here. That wasn't too bad. Okay, we're taking Trail 4 in Hogs Canyon. It's extreme difficulty, but some of the places we've already been today were extreme difficulty and they weren't too bad. There was one little ledge we dropped down that I don't really want to go back up. I don't have to. But we're just going to kind of take it obstacle by obstacle. A few of us don't want to go on this trail. There was a fatality here last weekend. So everyone's a little bit worried about it, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, I guess heading down here. Now we're committed to stay on this trail because I don't want to come back up here. So I've got a winch. If we had to, we could, but I'm going to assume this is probably the worst part of it, is coming up this. Doing good okay so far?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we're making it down. Going down's one thing, coming up might be another nightmare, but I hope we don't have to. We're just gonna climb it and we'll be fine. Hug far left, keep one tire in the dirt to keep us level.
Like, this stuff is fine, it's just when it's like bumpy and there's no like leveler way.
And there's no end in sight because it's too long?
Yep. Like, that stuff was fine. Just like going up stuff when there's like...
Big ledges?
Yeah.
Well, I think we are back to the main trail. So we survived trail number 4.